I'm Shun.
Hi, I'm Chubing. I'm the designer from Forge Studio, and we are the owners of this unit.
One of the unique features would be how we actually incorporated the existing terrazzo from the original 1970s flat into our existing unit. We actually based a lot of our materials and color selection around it, as well as to actually create a temporary workspace that can be kept when it's not actually in use.
One of the other features that we have is actually the dining area. We actually designed the dining space to have meetings with clients when they come over, as well as a place to host friends and family. The main challenge that we face actually is the low ceiling height with large structural beam running across. So we actually added curved cove lights to actually hide and blend in with the beam. At the same time, it actually makes it a light feature, and it also helps to transition the space from the dining to the living area. The other one would be actually to make the bathroom a bit more functional and spacious. We actually put out the vanity, making the bathroom a little bit bigger, and also reshuffled the spaces.
The design was mainly driven by the functionalities that we wanted, and overall we had certain existing elements that required us to be quite creative with how we actually planned our spaces.
Thank you for watching!
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.